story entitled Nasaan Ka, Elisa? Once, there was a family discerning Altamira. It was well known for their successful business. One night, after Mariana's party, Elisa insisted to go out with her younger sister, Christina, and her cousins, Edward and Santos. They went to a local club where they were having a party. They danced, they drink, and then, and then, at last, three of them got drunk. And later, they discovered that Elisa was missing. Their family was on manifestation. The investigation is rolling. Every family was considered as a suspect. Either her family and either her parents did not escape to the prestigious investigation. Her second cousin saw Elisa with a gunshot on her head because of her hand. And Elisa died on a coma. And after that, they discovered that Bruno is the main suspect.